How to create shake effect in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is open up the Capcut application on your device, then tap on the new project application, then tap on any of the video that you want to create a shake effect on. So you can see the video over here. Now to create a shake effect, what you need to do is tap on the effect option, which is at the bottom of the screen on the menu bar. Then tap on video effects. Then here you can see the search bar. You can just search for shake effect over here, and you'll be able to see different shake effect options in Capcut. So you can select any of the shake option that you want. So this is the shake effect that I've chosen. After choosing it, you can just tap on the tick mark and you can choose until where you want to elongate this shake effect to. The duration can be selected by this one over here. So if I just want the shake effect till this duration, you can just select it and you'll be done. Then you can export it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today.